Have you ever wondered why Ireland is so beautiful? What really makes this land bloom is our pollinating insects. They pollinate our flowers, hedgerows, trees and our bountiful crops, the quality food Ireland is famous for. Insect pollination makes an enormous contribution to the national economy, to our health and well-being, and to our environment. Pollinators also play a huge role in fueling our economy by sustaining our green image for our tourism and export markets. Pollinators are responsible for our colourful Irish landscape, and the wild seeds and fruit produced feed our wild animals and birds. And at the very heart of this vital system is the humble bee. Ireland has 99 different bee species, 1 honeybee, 21 bumblebees and 77 solitary bee species. And it's actually our wild bees we must thank for most pollination. But unfortunately, our bees are in trouble. Since 1980, more than half of Ireland's bee species have suffered huge declines. Today, 1/3 of our 99 bee species are threatened with extinction. Why? Because bees can't find enough food. Lush green fields and manicured lawns are actually like a barren desert for bees. And they can't find safe areas to nest. We've also inadvertently introduced poisons, pests and disease that impact their survival. For growers, a loss of pollinators means lower crop yields and reduction in quality. And for consumers, it means reduced food choices and higher prices. Without bees, Ireland would look very different. But the good news is we have a solution, and everyone can help. Since 2015, we've been working with partner organisations to implement the All-Ireland Pollinator Plan. This plan identified 81 evidence-based actions across public and private land that will create an Ireland where pollinators can survive and thrive. The aim is to create a network of pollinator-friendly habitats to bring back that food and shelter that is now missing from the landscape. If we want to help bees help us produce crops, there are a few simple things that we can do. In short, we need to stop trying to tidy up the countryside. Reduce mowing. Let dandelions and clover bloom. Allow hedgerows to flower. Reduce pesticide use. And plant pollinator-friendly plants. Bees need pollen-rich flowers in bloom from early spring right through to late autumn. We've produced a series of guidelines explaining how you can help. There are also lots of resources and tips on our website, pollinators.ie.